would say you want an estate planning attorney. And if for parents of children that have disabilities, have special needs, I personally would ask the question, what kind of experience do you have doing estate plans for parents in my situation? Right? Like, I don't want to be the first special needs trust that you draft. You do want to find a person that is best suited for your situation. But that person's going to be drafting your documents, the medical documents, the financial documents, your will, trust, or whatever. If you're a person that has a really, really simple situation, you don't own very much of anything, you're just starting to get into the process, and you're doing some free forms that you found that are available through your state, that's fine. If you're planning retirement and how am I going to pay for tuition as the kids get older, and you have gone through the process of selecting a financial planner, you do want that person involved, not to draft documents, but you do want them involved to deal with like titling of your assets and keeping up on your beneficiary designations. I have a financial planner. I don't have a huge estate, but I have a financial planner because I'm not an expert in that area, and I want somebody else who is, so that, when I change my documents, which I did recently, I can change the documents and send the most recent version to my financial planner and say, hey, I need to update my beneficiary designations on my brokerage account, or on my retirement plan account. I've met people who want to do all that themselves, which I think is not the smartest. I mean, there are people who go through a lot of training to do that properly. And I've met financial planners who think they want to take a stab at estate planning. Recommend that. But I also do recommend talking to your doctor. Some of the questions for an advance directive are not legal questions. Some of them are medical questions.
Right.
Yeah. So definitely talk to your doctor if you have questions about, hey, if this were the circumstance, if this was my condition and my spouse walked in with this document, how would that actually be handled in real life? That's not a legal question. That's a medical question. So get your doctor involved with those types of things.